Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Crunchyroll Error Code 6006. The error reads, "Oops, something went wrong." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to watch Crunchyroll on their TV or Apple TV, but the app doesn't work and shows this error. According to our research, the error may come because of a temporary glitch in the app, an outdated version of the Crunchyroll app, outdated device firmware, or any compatibility issue with the device. The first thing we suggest is to close the Crunchyroll app and restart your device. Once restarted, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, check if there is any update available for the Crunchyroll app. If yes, install it and check for the error again. If the error still persists, then check for any pending firmware update for your device. Update the firmware and see if the error still comes. If the error still continues, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Crunchyroll app. After reinstalling, check if this helps with the error. If the error still doesn't resolve, then try using Crunchyroll on any other device and check if the Crunchyroll works on other devices. At last, if nothing helps, then contact the Crunchyroll support team and report the issue to have further help and advice. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.